Hi, I'm Angela. Welcome to my lab. Today we'll be making a solid shampoo to boost your hair's growth, shine, and strength. To make a solid shampoo, we need ingredients and tools. Sodium cocoa sulfate, sodium cocoyl isethionate, coconut oil. Castor oil, raspberry ketone, distilled water. Vitamin E, D-panthenol, orange essential oil. And of course, we'll also need some equipment and tools, kitchen or jewelry scales, a regular teacup, a wooden spoon for mixing, an electric stove, and a silicone mold for the shampoo. Weigh and add the ingredients into the cup. Place the cup with the ingredients in a double boiler, heat gently, and stir carefully. When all the ingredients are heated and well mixed, remove the cup from the pot and stir once more. And now we add more ingredients. And stir well again. And now the most important step. Fill the mold with the warm mixture. Gently tap the mold to remove any air bubbles. Leave the shampoo to cool for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the most magical moment arrives. Carefully remove the solidified shampoo from the mold and place it on a napkin or wooden soap dish. Admire it and let it cure and dry for another 3 days. Congratulations! The shampoo is ready and your hair has finally received the care it deserves. Subscribe to my channel and create your own natural cosmetics with me.